warning for eastern Licking County until 6 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Heath, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Newark, Hanover, Martin, Gratiot, Toboso, Fallsburg, Purity, and Brownsville. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 136 and 142 and near mile marker 144. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.